A global temperature increase of 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit or more above pre-industrial levels is the commonly agreed upon threshold in the scientific community for the most severe economic and social damage that can be caused by climate change. The Paris Agreement was initially created to prevent the warming of more than 3.6 degrees, but heads of small island nations had asked scientists to examine the effects of 2.7 degrees of warming. At the current rate we're going, the atmosphere is going to warm up by as much as 2.7 degrees above pre-industrial levels by 2040, leading to flooding coastlines, intensifying droughts, and poverty. The United States, Bangladesh, China, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Japan, the Philippines, and Vietnam are just some of the countries that are going to be affected by flooding. This is going to cause massive refugee resettlement from these regions. We're not talking just thousands of people, we're talking millions. This warmth will result in more ice falling and melting from the polar ice caps. If large enough sheets of ice continue to fall off into the ocean, sea level rises will no longer be measured in inches, it will be measured in feet. We are pumping more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than our planet can cope. Natural circulation of these gases, which are normally processed by the trees and algae of our planet, are not as effective as they need to be. This is further mitigated due to pollution and deforestation. Greenhouse pollution must be reduced by 45% by 2030 and 100% by 2050. The use of coal as an electricity source would have to drop from nearly 40% today to down between 1 and 7%. Renewable energies such as wind and solar, which make up about 20% of the electricity mix today, would have to increase to as much as 67%. Car companies also need to focus on making electric vehicles more affordable for those in lower economic brackets. A massive reduction of meat-based food being produced will reduce the amount of methane gas in the atmosphere. Most of the damage that has been done to the Earth's climate is irreversible, but if we all do our part in reducing our ecological footprint, we can slow down or perhaps even prevent further damage to our planet.